Today let's see how to gather user input using readline module of Node.js. Readline module is an inbuilt module of Node.js to facilitate user input and processing of the user input in Node programs or Node applications. Readline module creates interactive prompts to facilitate user inputs. To facilitate this prompt, we will make use of create interface method of readline. It takes two parameters, process.stdin and process.stdout. These are standard input and standard output property of the current process. Now using the method question prompts.question, it takes two parameters. First one being the question or the something which we need to prompt to the user. That is first parameter. The second parameter is the anonymous function, which in fact catches the user input. Let's see that later. The first parameter we are passing is some question. We'll ask the user how many years of experience does he have in corporate sector. So this is our first parameter and the question we are prompting to the user. Whatever the user types will be passed as parameter to this anonymous function. That is, response from the user is passed in as argument to this anonymous function. Inside this, I'll just use this user passed value, and with some logic we shall display some result. So if the experience of the user is less than 5 years, I'll say, well, you are short of some years of experience to attend this job interview. So how I'll calculate the number of years he is short of experience, that is 5 minus his current experience. Simple. I'll say job interview at Apple Inc. Else, if he has more than 5 years of experience, well then excellent, you are eligible for the job interview. Now using console.log, print the message out. The next step is very important, that is, we need to exit from the process. If you don't exit the process, the interface keeps reading from the standard input. So we need to exit from the process. Save this file. Locate the file wherever you have stored. I've stored it inside a folder called Node. Now execute it. Number of years you have been working in corporate. Well, I'll give 3, which is less than 5. So it should say you're short of 2 years experience to attend job interview at Apple Inc. I'll execute it once again. This time I'll give my job experience is 9 years. Well, it says excellent, you are eligible for the job interview. So this is how we get the user input and process it inside our Node application. So keep readline module in your mind. That would be handy in most of your applications. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Also like this video on YouTube. Please visit the link below the video in the description section for extra notes. Also stay subscribed to our blog technotip.com and to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like this video on YouTube.